Hey, I got more packages in the mail. I think this is my gang play. Darn, comes with 4 packages. Let's try to get this thing open. Also, it came with a mystery pack. I think Tommy John. Everybody knows him, the Tommy John surgery guy. Ooh, it's what they sent me. Wowzers. So it's good. It's gonna open it. Some that comes with some cards. They play 2021. Actually, it went by Target today. Couldn't find this. It was on the box, but no package. Let's see what it comes in. This is my first time opening this kind of package. Future Star. Got a Future Star guy here. I kind of like these kind of cards. A little action, game day, 2021 tops. And in the back have their stats. Rookie guy. Got a rookie. Right. Find other people I may know. Game opening Dodgers. First he gotta be a Dodger. Right here, Legend of Baseball. Got Mookie, second visit, my second pack. Got Snooki. I don't know what kind of stands for. Oh, Aaron Judge. Always good to have in your collection. Legend of Baseball. Jerry Jeter. I'm not too happy how he's running the Florida team down there. Florida. It was kind of cool. Aaron Robbins card. Mercy. I don't see any player Magwell. Oh, a future Hall of Famer. Not yet, but he's definitely a future Hall of Famer. Magwell. Well, that's kind of cool. Mookie Betts, shiny card. Not numbered, but a little different. Actually, it's numbered. It's no, it's not numbered. April 1st, 21, opening day. Oh, it's too bad with the Dodgers. I wish he was with the Red Sox deal. And I got more packs for you folks. Aaron White. These cards are kind of cool. Action pack. Course Niche. I guess they all come with OD package like that. Yeah. I haven't even seen players that I recognize. Sorry, my battery's running out. Oh, Trout! I got Trout! Well, it's good to have you clutch your future Hall of Famer. Too bad we beat the Giants. Guy, it's fun watching him. You can tell he loves the sport. Everything he does is magic. Everything he does is magic. So let's recap. Churchill Esped. Churchill Esped rookie card. Oh, Junior Fernando. Great player right now, young. Got a lot of crap when he hit that whole run. Aaron Judge, of course. A rookie card. Rookie card, this young man. Got a rookie card. I mean, Legend of Baseball, really good to have a cheater card, no matter what. I don't see too many players I'm into. So please like and subscribe. Different things here time this channel. Try different things. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.